see I'm looking a bit rough this morning, so I've gone for some I can see clearly.
Let's have a look at your.
What it tastes like.
What's your toast? What's your toast?
Fairy toast.
You try fairy toast? Day 2, and this morning we've just had a Razzle Dazzle breakfast. What did you think, Monty? You took the wrong choice.
Yeah, I was very impressed.
I liked it. A lovely breakfast. And what was the toast we had? That was good.
Fairy toast was really good.
Fairy toast. So I've been up for a few hours, taking some lovely photos, including this photo here. Look at that photo. Look at that amazing sunrise. So we're in Zeebrugge today. We might pop off for a little bit. We are back in Zeebrugge later in the year.
Zeebrugge. Zeebrugge.
Oh, Zeebrugge. Zeebrugge, whatever. Anyway, so we're heading. I haven't taken this the wrong way. Just keep going. So we are gonna go for a spa. We're gonna go for a massage. Gonna go for some treatment. And morning. And then we are. So we're going to do your treatments, going to do some massage, going to have some afternoon tea, got a couple of shows tonight, and then where are we eating tonight, Rachel? The test kitchen tonight. So we're going to test the test kitchen. So lots happening today in Belgium. In our 40-hour cruise, we are down to spend $300 now. So we've spent $600 yesterday, so that's quite an achievement, I thought. Head back to the room, then head for a massage and spa, walk. It's all fun as we have 48 hours on a Valiant Lady cruise. So we're in the Galley. I've ordered lunch. What have you had, Monty? What's all gone?
A nice sushi box, Greek salad.
And it's very, very simple. All you do, pop the
QR code.
The QR code, that's what it is. And look, all your options come up, and a nice person comes along and asks you what you want, and then you order it. It's as simple as that. So I'm going to do a taste test. I've gone for the turkey and cheese. Fresh. It's good. Yeah. 8 out of 10. It's alright. Hello again. So, what have we been up to? I had a lovely massage. The massage was good. Then went to the spa, which was pretty good. We got so much on board credit, as I think we've mentioned before. So it was fine. We stayed there for about an hour, then had a few drinks up on deck and went in the hot tub. We ordered some food. What did we think of lunch, Monty?
It was very nice.
Yes, it was very nice. Yes, I had like a turkey sandwich and that. You order it on the QR code and then it comes along. Lots of chips. It was all good. So now we're going to head to Belgium. And what we're going to try and buy, Monty?
Some chocolate willies. No, some Belgium chocolates.
Some Belgium chocolates. So come and join us as we head to Belgium to get some chocolates. See you.
with a pickled conchita mushroom. Chef's recommendation, have it with a sourdough crostini.
So tonight we're in the test kitchen. Mum and myself have gone for the wine pairing with our 6-course tasting menu. Dad has gone with the beer pairing. So first course is a mushroom pate with porcini mushrooms. I can't really remember everything she said, but it looks amazing. And some sourdough toast. And a glass of sun.
Cheers!
Cheers!
I've got beside it, it's so nausea and love.
Is that complimentary?
What do you think?
Really, really good.
It will be, and ours is as well.
I hate peas.
I love peas.
No one should have peas. No more peas.
So we were just going to start a video. As you can see, my dad's just splattered cherry juice all over his shirt and face.
What do you think of yours? What have you got?
I've got venison. I have done a little preview of what she was describing it as, so we'll pop that on this video. But yeah, that's really, really tasty. This is a blue cheese parfait, and as we said earlier, we've gone for the wine pairing. So this is a Valiant. I'm looking to my mum here to tell me what I'm drinking. But I think she's a bit pissed after having 4 glasses. So basically, a Beaujolais, sorry. But we were just saying how amazing it is that actually eating this and then taking a little bit of the wine, it's so smooth and you just don't even notice. Like at home normally if I'm drinking red wine, I won't eat chocolate or anything sweet because it just tastes horrible and really tart in your mouth. Whereas drinking this after having a mouthful of that, it's just, oh, amazing.
Aha! There you are. So, Red Night, Scarlet Night is done. It was good. It's a good night. Good night. We went to the test kitchen and had our 6 courses. Rachel and her parents accompanied it with some good wines. And yeah, really good concept. I like the test kitchen. I like all the food, to be honest, here on Valiant Lady. Good day in Bruges. Checked out some chocolate. Had a massage. Went to the spa. So, all in all, a good night. Checked out some very strange entertainment at the Red Room tonight. And also a drag queen. What more could you want on a cruise? Check out our vlog next week when we will be doing a review of our 48 hours on Valiant Lady. And the good news is we did, oh, bit of a preview, we did manage to spend the $900 on board. Find out what we thought of Valiant Lady and also how we spent $900 on next week's vlog. But for this week. Hope you've enjoyed it. Join us next week. And if you haven't seen our Valiant Lady ship tour, it's just there. So tap that and then you'll get your Valiant Lady ship tour. But for us, we'll see you next week. Laters.